TTD, stock analysis and price predictions for the trade desk. Is it a buy or is it not? Watch this quick and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I'll say is that having done well over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience all documented on my YouTube channel, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially now with the trade desk. After a crazy crash as such, I'll tell you one thing. Even though it was 2% up the day prior, I'm not going to be buying unless I see a proper double break candle close in order for me to take things up, and that's going to be at least like 1 more week worth of candles. I'm genuinely telling you, right? Beforehand, I was even sell side here back in March, and we came a long way, but it also came a long way down. So I do have a bunch of receipts with TTD, but again, not something that I'm immediately going to start buying, you know what I mean? So I'll continue to keep you updated. Therefore, if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.